Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 13 to the power of 5 minus 13 to the power of 4 is equals to what? So we find the value of this algebraic expression without using the calculator. Here calculator is not allowed in this problem. And now we move towards the solution of this problem, and the very first thing we are going to do is this is 13 to the power of 5. We write this as 13 to the power of 4 plus 1 minus 13 to the power of 4. So here we use the nice algebraic formula, and we have a to the power of m plus n is equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. According to this rule of exponents, we break the exponent of these terms and we obtain 13 to the power of 4 multiplied by 13 to the power of 1 minus this is 13 to the power of 4. And now you see that both of these two terms involve 13 to the power of 4, so that we will be take common 13 to the power of 4 from here. After taking common this, we get the remaining values are 13 minus 1. And in the next step we have 13 minus 1 becomes 12, so we get 13 to the power of 4 is multiplied by 12. So here first we need to find the value of 13 to the power of 4, and its resulting answer is multiplied by 12. So for this we will take here 13 to the power of 4, and now first we find the value of 13 to the power of 4 and then we multiply it with 12. So you very well know about that. The meaning of 13 to the power of 4 is that we multiply 13 with 13 4 times in this way. So because calculator is not allowed, so that's why we need to do all of the working on this paper. So now first we multiply 13 with 13 and we multiply this pair of 13. So you very well know about that. 13 times 13 becomes 169 multiplied by this 13 multiplied by 13 becomes here 169. And now further for multiplication of these two bigger numbers, I can give you a nice technique in which we can easily multiply these two bigger numbers without using the calculator. So here this is 169. We break this 169 as 100 plus 60 plus 9. And now we multiply 169 separately on each of these values, and when we multiply 169 with 100 it will becomes 169, and we write two zeros here, plus when we multiply 169 with 60 we get here 169 multiplied by 60, plus after that we multiply 169 with 9 and we get here 169 multiplied by 9. So further we have 16900 plus, here we consider this is one digit number, this is our two digit number, and we multiply 0 with this number becomes 0, and 6 times this number equals to 6 nines are 54. We write 4 and carry 5, and 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 5 becomes 41. We write 1 and carry 4. 6 ones are 6. 6 plus 4 becomes here 10. And in the same pattern we multiply these numbers. 9 nines are 81. We write 1 and carry 8. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 8 becomes here 62, so we write here 2 and carry 6. So 9 ones are 9. 9 plus 6 becomes here 15. So in the next step we add all of these values. And so for this we have, this is 0 plus 0 plus 1 becomes here 1. This 0 plus 4 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6, and 9 plus 1 becomes 10. 10 plus 5 becomes 15. We write 5 and carry 1. This 6 plus 0 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 becomes 7. 7 plus 1 becomes here 8, and in the next step we have 1 plus 1 becomes here 2. So we will easily get the value of 13 to the power of 4 is equals to 28,561. And now we move backward and we substitute the value of 13 to the power of 4 here, and we multiply the resulting answer with 12. So now further we have, we just copy down above expression here, so that 13 to the power of 4 is multiplied by 12. The value of 13 to the power of 4 is that 28561, and we multiply it with 12 and we write this 12 as 10 plus 2. So we multiply this term separately on both of these two values. So when we multiply this term with 10, we get here 2, 8, 5, 6, 1 and 0. And when we multiply this term with 2, we get here 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. We write here 2 and carry 1, 2 5s are 10, 10 plus 1 becomes 11. We write 1 and carry 1. 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 becomes 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 becomes here 5. So in the final step, we need to sum up both of these two values and we get here our final destination. This is 0 plus 2 becomes 2 and 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 6 plus 1 becomes here 7. 5 plus 7 becomes here 12. We write 2 and carry 1. So 8 plus 4, 8 plus 5 becomes 13. 13 plus 1 becomes 14. We write 4 and carry 1. And 2 plus 1 becomes here 3. So this is the our final simplified form of the given question, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.